to you all for all the hard work that you did to support our students here. Thank you.
Today was so exciting because we worked together to put these students through on this electrical program, and to see all of their shiny faces there, knowing that they graduated, and not only did they graduate, but they graduated with jobs to go to. So exciting, because that really meets what our mandate is.
When I first got in the program, I didn't know much about what an electrician actually does, but throughout the program I've learned and I've built my skills, and now I basically know how to wire a whole condo. And the best part of the program by far is the practicality of it. So any hands-on work is just my thing to do. Like that's my passion. So that's why I'm here. Passion, that's the main thing.
I would 100% recommend this course to not only Aboriginals, but anyone. I mean, the teachers here, incredible. They teach you in so many different ways. You might not know it one way, but you for sure will know it the other way.
We had to do resistance, length, and what else? The constant.
I mean, you never know what the future holds. There's so many opportunities, whether you know, you got residential, industrial. There's so many different aspects. All I know is I'm going to be Red Seal, and I'm going to be ready to go.
CMA for 250,000 into SMA. What would I do in at this point?
You would multiply by 0.7854.
I have tried multiple things leading up to this point before I took the course. And I found with everything I've taken, I love hands-on. I've always loved math. So for a trade and to have the math, you don't get that in other trades. So I like to think as well while I work. So using my hands and kind of manipulating, troubleshooting, it's nice to kind of have it all come together.
This is really trailblazing. Running a project like this, they're just laying the groundwork. It's like a ripple in the water. You know, we've got a few people in there, and you think that only affects them, but it affects their family, it affects their community, their village, wherever they're from. Then even in the big picture, the cities, the province, even the country, because it's just getting it started, and they're going to have all that influence on those other young people that saw them do it, that can say, you know what, I think I can do that too.
I'd like to thank Access and the Electrical Joint Training Committee and the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, Local 213, for all their support. It's been a great deal of hills that I've had to climb, but I've powered through it, and now here I am.